Welcome to this video tutorial on using Boolean operators in your library searches. This is a presentation by Alberta Law Libraries. Boolean operators not only create extremely effective searches, but they are tools that can save you a lot of time, energy, and frustration. Boolean operators are ways in which we can refine, filter, narrow, or broaden our search. An effective search gives us the maximum amount of relevant information. The most common Boolean operators used in library databases are OR, AND, and NOT. Let's talk about Boolean operator AND. Using AND in a search narrows your search and you get fewer results. Connecting terms using AND retrieves results that contain both terms. AND is excellent for connecting unrelated terms that are both important to your research. For example, teenagers and violence will retrieve results that contain only both terms. Let's look at OR and how it functions in your searches. Connecting terms using OR retrieves items that contain either or both the terms. OR expands and broadens your search so you get more results. For example, teenagers or juvenile or adolescent. OR is a helpful operator to use if you have a search term that has multiple words with a similar meaning. Now let's discuss the Boolean operator NOT. NOT excludes certain keywords from your results. It will narrow down your search. When using NOT, you're telling the database that you want information that's related to the first term but not the second. For example, teenagers not violence will narrow the search. The results retrieved will contain the word teenagers but not the word violence. Boolean operators should always be typed in capital letters. If you type in lowercase letters, some databases may think that these are your regular keywords and try searching for the words in the articles. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, or if you have trouble using our catalog or databases, a good place to start is to click on Research Guides on the library homepage. If you fill out an Ask a Law Librarian form on the library's website, it will connect you to library staff who monitor the email from Monday to Friday, 8:15 a.m. to 4:00 p.m. You can also get in touch with Alberta Law Libraries through our general email, lawlibrary@just.gov.ab.ca.